Want to personalize your Xfinity X1 guide? You can easily change the guide's color theme and contrast for better visibility and accessibility. Xfinity X1 allows customization through themes and contrast settings. Themes provide different color palettes like default blue, red, or custom RGB values, affecting the guide's background, text, and icons. Contrast adjustments enhance readability by boosting differences between elements, such as high contrast mode for low vision users. These features help users with visual impairments, color blindness, or general preferences. These accessibility features integrate with broader X1 functions like voice guidance and screen readers. According to Xfinity's 2025 user analytics, 45% of accessibility setting changes involve color themes, with high contrast modes used by 55% of users aged 65 plus. You can access the Personalized Themes menu directly from the guide interface. Press the Guide button on your X1 remote. Navigate to Settings using the gear icon. Select Accessibility, then Themes and Contrast. Here, choose from predefined modes like Night Mode for dark themes, or use manual sliders to adjust hue, saturation, and brightness. The latest updates in the Xfinity app version 7.8.0, released in October 2025, enhance guide color options. Users can now access a personalized themes menu directly from the guide interface for real-time adjustments. Adaptive contrast modes sync with device preferences, such as iOS or Android accessibility settings. These settings persist across devices if you're logged into the same Xfinity account, ensuring a consistent experience. Xfinity's 2025 roadmap includes AI-recommended themes based on viewing habits and ambient light sensors in newer X1 boxes. Compatibility challenges with third-party apps are being addressed through partnerships with companies like Roku and Samsung. According to a 2025 Pew Research Center survey, 62% of smart TV users prioritize customizable interfaces, highlighting the demand for X1's features.